Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to GIA. In this video, I'm going to show how to teach Development 2, Chapter 1. Before we start, we must know what is the goal for this chapter. The goal for this chapter is that a student already done in the previous level, in level 2, the pillar 5, which is the basic of 5 sounds used for Quran recitation. So students know already the basic of 5 sounds with the letter Sod. Now in this chapter, goal is making the 5 sounds method very strong. So before a student did with only letter Sod, now a student have to know how to apply all 5 sounds with any letter. So here a student going to practice. Inshallah, by the end of this level, this chapter, Development 2, Chapter 1, the student will have ability to recite 5 sounds, all 5 sounds with any letter. So parents and teacher, they can play with a student like, okay, we did 5 sounds game with letter Sod. Now just rather using Sod, use any other letters. 5 sounds game with the letter G. Okay, so this game is going to be here actually. So with any letter, a student have mashallah ability to set any 5 sounds with any letters. Okay, so how to teach? Second thing I want to inform, just as a reminder, we have to mention basic tajweed rules with 1 second long, 3 to 5 seconds longer, and nasal, as we did in pillar 5. Here also we have to remember that we have to do tajweed explanation with these 3 sections. Okay, let's try 5 sounds game with the letter Kha. Short, Kha, Fatha, Kha, Kha, Kasra, Khi, Kha, Dhamma, Khu. Together, Kha, Khi, Khu. Number 2, 1 second long. Kha, long Fatha. Kha, rule, 1 second long. Kha, long Kasra. Khi, rule, 1 second long. Kha, long Dhamma. Khu, rule, 1 second long. Kha, long Alif. Kha, rule, 1 second long. Kha, long Ya. Khi, rule, 1 second long. Kha, long Waw. Khu, rule, 1 second long. Next, 3 to 5 seconds longer. Kha, longer Alif. Kha, rule, 3 to 5 seconds long. Kha, longer Ya. Khi, rule, 3 to 5 seconds long. Kha, longer Waw. Khu, 3 to 5 seconds long. Kha, long Fatha. Kha, rule, 1 second long. because kha has long fatha. Kha long kasra. Khi. Rule 1 second long because kha has long kasra. Kha long dhamma. Khu. 1 second long because kha has long dhamma. Kha long alif. Kha. Rule 1 second long because kha has long alif. Kha long ya. Khi. Rule 1 second long because kha has long ya. Kha long waw. Khu. Rule 1 second long because kha has long waw. Now 3 to 5 seconds means longer. Kha longer alif. Kha. Rule 3 to 5 seconds long because kha has longer alif. Next, kha longer ya. Khi. Rule 3 to 5 seconds long because kha has longer ya. Next, kha longer waw. Rule 3 to 5 seconds long because kha has longer waw. Number 3, nasal sound. Kha fathatain. Rule nasal sound. Kha kasratain. Rule nasal sound. Kha dhammatain. Rule nasal sound. Number 4, only catch. Hamza fatha catching kha. Akh. Hamza kasra catching kha. Ikh. Hamza dhamma catching kha. Ukh. Number 5, catch and read. Hamza fatha catching kha. Akh. Kha fatha kha. Akh. Kha. Hamza kasra catching kha. Ikh. Kha kasra khi. Ikh. Khi. Hamza dhamma catching kha. Ukh. Kha dhamma khu. Ukh. Khu. So mashallah, like this, the student has to practice with any letters, all 5 sounds. And here we are doing practice the 5 sounds game with 3 types of special letters. So by the end of this level, a student have ability to recite any letters and any 5 sounds, inshallah. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Here for teacher, we want to mention long alif, long ya, long waw. We are saying is very shortly. We are not saying like fatha alif, kasra ya sukun, dhamma waw sukun. We are saying directly sad, long alif, sad, long ya, sad, long waw. And here longer alif, longer yeah, longer vowel. And in number 3 nasal sound, from beginning we want to give in a student mind that tanween and nun sukun, fathatain, kasratain, dhammatain, and nun sukun, their main sound is nasal sound to make it easy, because we know that mostly this will be gunna unless there is hamza ha, ain ha, ghain kha, and lam and ra. So it just made it very simple. A student going to know, okay, anywhere in the Quran they will see tanween, fathatain, kasratain, dhammatain, and nun sukun. Then they have to do nasal sound. They have to make nasal sound unless there is any gunna stop letter. Hamza ha, ain ha, ghain kha, lam and ra. So very simple way we covering the entire lesson of nun sukun and tanween here. Very simple way. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.